Hey everyone, before we get into the video, I just wanted to say this was my second order of Misfit Market and I was pleased with this one. And if you watched the previous video about Misfit Market, they did refund me for the avocados and the apples, so I was pleased with that. So let's get on with the third order. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to open this box with you. This is my third box from Misfit Market, and this here one is going to make the decision whether I keep using their service or not. So I thought I'd share it with you and see. Now, one thing about this box here, it was supposed to have been here yesterday and it came a day late. So I hope everything is okay. And what I have here is a cucumber, very firm, very good. Cauliflower, very good. Cabbage, red cabbage is good. These little pretzels. Bag of lemons. These are grapefruits, I believe. They're kind of small, but grapefruits. Some potatoes here. You can't go. Here's one sweet potato here. Portobello mushrooms. They look very good. Oh, the ginger. This is nice. Couple of green peppers, and I have a couple of red peppers. These are very nice. Here are the other potatoes. Oh, these are some carrots. Dino kale, and in this box here, more oranges. These are navel oranges, and they seem to be pretty good. So far, I'm pleased. Even though this was a day late, everything is pretty good. Last time they had a cold pack in. They didn't even have a cold pack in this one, and everything seems pretty good. These carrots are a little wilted, but I just have to use them right away. But other than that, everything looks fine. Well, I am very pleased. I think I will continue to get Misfit Market, and one thing that I really like about them is they let you skip a week. So I get a box every other week because it's just the two of us here, and that's about as long as it takes to use up all of these products. This is Lady P from my kitchen. Peace and love. I'm out.